guys, good evening. So this is Oliver new food feeder. So this the water will be flow easily and the food will be
when there's no more it will push.
when the cat move
And
that
then-
one.
and then
Ayaw na.
see there's water.
So when the cat will be finish that one and like try to get the food, they will get out. So welcome to new toy of Uli. Wala na hulog. So that's his new toy, guys.
Asa mo siya?
Diha, basta.
I-push siguro niya i-push.
Push. Wah!
Ipakita